let's catch everybody up here. I made this off camera. I was actually doing a little prototyping. And you know how something just starts going really good and I'm like, well, heck, I'm gonna keep going. But I was not filming. That's all right. So what we've done is we've made a little bit of a metal box to put inside of our box. So this, oh God, probably should have test fitted it before I brought the, well, let's see why it's not fitting and then we'll come back. I didn't even test fit it. I look like a goober head. I'll be right back. Well, let's see if that'll work. All right, so it actually will fit, but it looks like it's one of those let's get it in there one time kind of deal. Better on one side than the other. So why don't I make a little something? Well, looks like I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe I should turn the camera off and come back when we've got some more progress. I don't know how many I'd keep in there. It's not really a good use of my space. If it's only gonna hold 7. I had, at one time, you built the Lincoln Highway.
Like a toaster. There is a thing in here that wasn't one time or another used on the Lincoln Highway.
It's like a wee Leatherman. Like a little Leatherman for our matches. Yeah!
Anything at all. Oh, hang on, Beowulf ain't thing all. I don't think it will. Oh, it's holding 7 my chest.
How are we gonna do it together?
I'll start me off with a nice. Just don't touch it when it's hot. Ooh, it burns. There we go. No, we don't need that anymore. Okay, we're gonna do a time warp on that. Yeah, it's taking up too much of my GoPro storage. Storage, yes. Brought you full circle, eh? You know what I love about stuff that's made by hand? Looks handmade. Don't make stuff that looks like it came from a factory if it's come from your hands.
That's a wee little match holder.
I think we're just gonna leave it like that. So let's put that in there and start filling it up. With all songs aside, moving onward and upward. I'm very good at making things out of wood, but we're at the second portion of the video, where I need to make something out of metal. We have to do a little smitten. Oh God. Ooh, about the size of my finger. Let's go make something like that out of metal. Ah! Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. There's Peachy. Peachy! What's up, bro? No. Oh, what video is that from? Oh, the anvil video. If anybody hadn't seen the anvil video, I'll put it up right now. But that's where that came from. Because the little pieces of metal are in the bigger pieces of metal. Bigger hammer would be nice. Take my 45s down first. Then you heat it up, then you take your 45s and then you start gradually working your way all the way around like that. And it'll get you a circle. 45s, 45s, 45s. radius. Around radius. Well, lost that last little bit, but this is where we're at. Yay, I was happy. Kind of makes me want to make a knife. There's our striker. Yay! We did it before the battery ran out.
Taking vitamin D. Not a word about exercise. Not a word about drink water. Not a word about cut out sugar.
I guess that's really about it. Let's see, we got the damper, and then we're gonna need something to hold on the top. Maybe I'll make a little blacksmith. Ooh, maybe I'll do like a little blacksmith ring or something. Is that ambitious? That is a little ambitious. I'm just starting off. Remember that, Ryan? Maybe I don't know, find something to put right there. That sound like a wiener? Sounds like a wiener to me. You got a little place to put that on the top of that. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I think it's gonna work. Let's go over what all we got here. We got a striker, got a damper, got a match pack, and I got some of those that quick fire starter wrapped up with some tin foil. Got some more matches, heat shrinked. Got a piece of manganese, what is that, flint striker? Magnesium, I don't know. A little thing to solve some stuff. So, we filled it up. Traditionally, you would take your embers from your fire. As they're smoldering, like maybe at the very end of the night, you put them into one side. You take your damper, and you'd be able to keep that fire with you. Now, I'm not going to do that, but I think it's important that everybody knows how to make a fire. And so that's what we filled it up with. I'm Ryan. I'm Maker 238. You've made it to the very end of the video. It's a long one. It's kind of all over the place. We worked with a bunch of different mediums. If you wouldn't mind, please hit that subscribe button. Do it for me. Hit that subscribe button. I come up with crazy stuff, all kinds of stuff. I've got a bunch of shovels. I'm thinking about making a windmill. Maybe that's coming next. I don't know. Peace out. So, got some stickers. It's pretty cool, huh? Let's think the best way. I'm thinking if somebody wants one, go to Instagram, look up maker_238. I'll put it down in the description. Hey, if you haven't followed me on Instagram already, I don't know what you're doing. But send me a message on Instagram, and we'll do, like, if you send me a self-addressed envelope with the stamp already on it, I'll send you a sticker. How's that sound? Appreciate you hanging around to the end of the video. I can show this off while we're here. It's a fort I built for the kids. Still gotta do the roof. But yeah. So anyway, that was before I was on YouTube. If you look back on my Facebook, there's actually some videos of when I was building it. It's been a crazy year on YouTube. I think as of right now, when I'm filming this, I have 549 subscribers. That blows my mind, man. I thank each and every one of you. I couldn't have done it without, let's see, I couldn't have done it without my wife's support. I couldn't have done it without my 2 amazing children. I couldn't have done it with my awesome buddy Danny, pushing me and giving me the first GoPro, and really, you know, holding my hand and getting the editing stuff done, and everybody else. The list is too long to mention everybody, but just thank you for all your love and support. I've got some t-shirts that I've made for myself and my wife and the kids. That way I can start wearing my own brands in the old videos. Anyway, everybody have a wonderful New Year's, and until we meet again.
Who's a pretty Shady?
Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Who's my good Shady Bear? Yes, a good girl. Yes, she is. Peach, man, I'm trying to get the last shot, dude. I'm trying to get the last shot. God, Peach.